Alright, today we working on a 1983 Chevy Camaro with a 305 V8 crossfire, 125 original miles. This car hasn't ran in about 20 years. It literally has a clean air sticker from like 97 on it. My brother just bought it, so we're gonna try to drain all the fluids and then do spark plugs and things like that. I'm gonna go ahead and try to start it. Got my nephew in the car. Right now, he's under there trying to get the.
No, I got it off. I'm waiting for the pan.
Oh. He's trying to go ahead and take off the oil. That shit is black as fuck.
Hell yeah.
You could tell this car hasn't ran in forever.
If you want it, you got it. You know I don't rock it. They never could stop it. It's stuff in my pocket. Go up for the store. They never could block it. After the store, I can't open them eyes. The tears fall. Like 100 bands through the time of the night. When you left, I ain't want to live life. Now I'm happy on the in and out. Can you make it better? Chop out like this.
Yeah, that shit's crazy.
It don't look that dirty though. I don't see a bunch of bullshit in it.
Oh yeah, we forgot to tell you guys, we have never heard this car start. But it's set in somebody's garage since '97, so it should be good.
Hey, get over here. All the oil.
I was about to say, that shit is full as fuck. If this engine takes more than 5 quarts, it's about to overfill that. Oh my god, this shit's heavy. They got the active ram air and everything. Oh shit.
Stop.
I can't bring it back.
What are you changing on it? Hey, get off of me, man. Quit touching me.
I'm trying to put the hood back up, nigga.
Oh, stop touching me.
Alright.
Y'all doing the break? Moving it off the oil pan.
Bro, you about to roll your fucking arm.
You good.
There's a catering right there.
This guy out here moving the goddamn car. I'm like, you got to start stealing all over the car.
Technical difficulties. We probably gonna have to do a little bit of transmission work, cause this thing probably ain't gonna move.
Work on this, huh? How much was it? I think the baby got this on called Tupac.
Filter, an oil filter for 20 years ago. That's crazy. Alright, let's go ahead and put the bolt back in and the filter back in, and we'll go ahead and move on to the next. Hey, you guys see that? It's an ancient gas cap. Original.
That shit dry as fuck.
Oil change complete. We have bought a pump to go ahead and drain all the gas. Kind of already put it all up, but we bought it at Harbor Freight, and turns out there was no gas in there, so I was wasting money. Can't return it. But now we gotta go get the nephew and go head to Walmart and go buy a battery, and then we come back. We're gonna see if we can get this thing to start. Oh yeah, and some gas. Not that cheap shit, man. We on that 5-gallon shit, you know. Big gang shit, you know. And the Elantra. That's the rental car. You'll see mine soon.
Can I throw this in the trash now?
Ladies and gentlemen, 20 oils from 20 years ago. Guys, what it looks like. You want to stick your hand in that? Stick your hand in that.
Not doing it.
Car's literally been sitting for 20 years. 22 to be exact. It's not that bad. I don't know.
Was it metal?
Oh, it is metal.
Huh?
Yeah, it was metal. I don't know.
I hope it's not no metal in there.
I mean, we're gonna change the motor anyway. I said, well, you're gonna change the motor anyway. Otherwise, you can't keep up. It's gonna hurt his feelings when he sees it at the end of it. He's like, oh my god, I shouldn't have sold it to you. Plans for the build coming up next.
I don't think it's metal. It's not metal.
This is what we just found in the oil. 20 years old. What is it? What is it? Engine good or bad? Is it bad or good?
It's not metal, so
This just sucks.
it looks like thick ass oil.
This sucks. It's 20-year-old gunk.
Oh, it's the fan. So right there.
That shit's leaking.
Yeah, it was the side. It was looking for the side.
20-year-old oil stinks. Hey, I probably shouldn't have this on my hands. They probably didn't have the same like lag regulations and shit like that. You feel me? Like, I might end up like with a poison finger or something. Alright. So far what we've been able to do is we did the oil change. We tried to drain the gas. No gas in there, so we went ahead and got some gas, put some oil cleaner in the gas. I just went ahead and removed this cover right here. Yeah, I went ahead and put some gas down the cylinders. Now I'm just waiting on my brother to come back, so we'll go ahead and try to fire it up for the first time. See what happens. Ladies and gentlemen, the first time we're going to try to start it. And see what this damn thing does, man. You too big for your car, man?
No, man. Last chance.
You can't get the key in? Turn it harder. Do it again. Okay. Stand there. Oh shit. A little more than what I wanted to do, but hey.
What the hell did you do?
Try it now.
Nigga poured hella gas in there.
Try it now. Keep it going.
What?
I said keep it going.
Oh, I thought you said bro.
No, keep it going, nigga.